Alright, hello once again everybody. It is now 12:12 and 21 seconds on May 15th. I don't know what happened. I hope everybody that's participating in this saw the last video that was over 3 minutes long and I was only able to randomize 4 times. I don't know if there's an issue with the random site or it doesn't seem to be my computer because all my other web pages I can browse rather quickly. It's just the random site is moving very slow. So I closed it down. The last one, you can view that video that's on the page in the comments section, and let's try to get it done properly this time, okay? Again, 28 filled names are over here. Let's roll our 3 dice. Let's hope this works this time. And unfortunately, it looks like it's going extremely slow again. I think it's the page, because even when I just tried to log in, I logged out and tried to log back in, and it took forever for me just to log into this page. I'm going to have to shut this down again, and I will give it some time and log back in. Time is now, actually, the whole screen is frozen. It's 12:13 and change. Let me see if I can close this. Alright, folks. Sorry, but I just can't get this done if this website is not going to cooperate with me.